What's up, y'all? I bet y'all thought I quit. Well, probably not. I wouldn't need to if I'm being real. But we're back. I didn't trade all of last week. Like I did not. I don't know what happened. I don't know what's going on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go on FX replay and we're gonna backtest. We're gonna look at the charts. We're gonna analyze and we're gonna see if we could get some trades in. So I was watching this guy and what he was doing was he was trading, but he was trading with a 49,000 balance. So he's trying to get it back up. And I was like, you know what? I'd be enjoying out a lot. So why don't I just try? We're already at all-time highs. I'm gonna see what's gonna happen. We have these areas of liquidity on the daily time frame. I'm gonna basically show you guys my strategy, what I would usually do, and what I'm usually looking for. So why not? If we lose trades, we lose trades. This is all a learning experience. I want to take this with you guys and just we all work together. We all figure out something that we could do. So yeah, if you guys struggle with strategy, if you guys struggle with risk management, if you guys struggle in general, I'm here. You know what I'm saying? I'm here. So we're definitely gonna work on that here and gonna pay attention. Know what I'm saying? I really don't backtest, but I'm gonna start holding myself more accountable to backtesting because I feel like it is very important to backtest. It also like allows me to realize like what's going on in the market, um, liquidity points, how price reacts in certain points, and just what to specifically do. So in this case, you see here we are on the 15-minute time frame. We have our points of liquidity, all these areas. Obviously, I have the 1 hour. I have all these other areas, but you know what I'm saying. Who knows this price is gonna get to this point? So I actually did not. I actually have no idea. So I have no idea what happened last week. Besides the crazy job we had on Friday, that's the only day I will excuse. So right here we are on. This is Monday, October 6th, right? So we have all these areas of liquidity. You know what I'm saying? We just took buy side right here. I don't know why it's blue. I hate when it's blue. I actually prefer black. But yeah, we have this buy side liquidity here that we just took. So who knows what's going to happen. But usually this is not how I trade. I usually will wait for a retracement. So as you see here, we have this swing low, this swing high. But that's not what I would be looking for. It would be this swing low and this swing high. That changed the structure of the trend. Or down here as well. I'll probably go to the 1 hour and show you guys what specifically I do. I look here, swing low, this is my swing high. And what I'll wait for is price to either come into an area like this. You see here we have a nice little 1 hour just sitting, waiting for us. So if, let's say price decides to come into this zone, I'm definitely going to be looking for longs. But sometimes that doesn't happen. So therefore, I like to just keep it on the current interval only because sometimes price would like to go on a smaller time frame and just take some liquidity and then shoot up. So let's see what happens. Let's put this to the 15-minute time frame, speed up what's going on, and yeah. All right, cool, 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 cool. All right, so we're dropping as expected though, because we did just take liquidity here, so that's literally what I was looking for. But at the end of the day, I'm still looking for longs because that's my idea. So as you see here, we're definitely moving towards this area of liquidity. Let's slow it. Let's slow the time down. See what happens. See what goes on. Boom, 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 boom. We're definitely scared to take this liquidity. I don't know if it was a SMT taken here, but we'll still continue. Okay, so we definitely just disrespected. We just disrespected this entire FE. We just disrespected this entire bearish. But we also have another one up here, so I definitely like to look at that one. So let's look at this one. Put this little 30-minute FEG here. If we inverse this, this is a long, but I need more confirmation. So let's continue. Why does it do that? There we go. Nice move. Nice move. Had rejection. Nice. Yeah, we're definitely okay. Boom. Boom. Damn. All right, cool. We have another 30 here, so we'll see what happens, but that's nice. We just broke that winner up. Damn. We had a position. We did have a position. I usually wait for liquidity to be taken before the position, so I'm glad we also didn't take that position. Oh, whoa. This is Tuesday? Damn. Wow. Okay. Okay, cool. Now boom. This is actually what I was looking for. This is actually what I was looking for. So we have a bunch of consolidation here. Um, perfect. Now here's where I would actually go long, because now we just entered into our zone. Beautiful. This is actually a beautiful entry. Coming here, breaker block. Beautiful. Tap into this zone. I'm definitely looking for a long position now. Definitely looking to go long, but I want to wait for candle confirmation before I decide to go long. Let's keep going. Beautiful. Did we inverse the FEG? Yes, we did. Yes, we did. We inversed this 15-minute FEG. Let's go long. All right, let's go. Stop loss down here. TP all the way up here. Nice. Alright, so I really don't know how to do the little contracts or whatnot, so I'm gonna just put one contract, buy that. Actually, how do I? No, because let me actually prepare myself. We're gonna do this together. We're literally gonna do this together. One thing I want to do is just have it to where lot size. Is that how that works? I want to buy 49, entry price. Where's my entry price? That's 24. Yes. Stop loss. My stop loss is where? 24.77, 24.773, 773.38. My TP is pushing 25.047.77. Nice. Only thing I don't know is like, oh, risking 1%. Okay. Boom. What they got going on, bro? I just wanted to save. Alright, cool. Alright, let's go back. Now let's just watch as this plays out, see what goes on. I actually don't like that it looks like that, so let's just... Alright. Okay. We're currently in drawdown. Actually, I like this better if I'm being honest. Like, actually, let me speed up the time. Okay. So it looks like we're consolidating. So I'm definitely gonna have to move, because I don't want to risk so much. I'm gonna move it up. Okay. Whoa! Wow! Okay! Alright. Just hit my TP while you at it. Let's go. Alright. Like, what? That was so random. Was this news? Wait, when did I trade? You see, that's what it is, bro. I don't know the time, bro. But we basically hit TP on that one. Would I actually stay in long this entire trade? Absolutely, I don't care. I actually, like, I'd be in trades for a minute, so, but I want to refrain that, so can we do next day open? Oh, we can. Oh, alright, great. I didn't know we could. I actually didn't know that. If that was the case, I would have just got out already. Okay, so, next day, that was a very interesting trade. That's why I was so surprised, if I'm being honest. But we're still moving at all-time highs. So boom. Moving on into the next day. I don't really like how the day's looking though. We are at all-time highs. We do have liquidity up here. Okay. Let's just see what's gonna happen. Okay, seems like we might be retracing into something, so let's just look at what we have. We have an order block over here before the expansion move, so we could probably tap into that. And right under we also have this area as well. So I don't wanna have both of them aligned, so I'll just keep one at a time. Or I could just look at the 1 hour and just have this here. But then again, you never know, because the retracement might not even be that deep. So who knows what's gonna happen. I actually have no idea what's been happening to price. But let's look at let's put our fib retracement at the basically the swing low to the swing high that basically broke the structure. We have a break of structure, which is great because this break of structure indicates that we're definitely still moving up. So we have this swing low to the swing high up here. So if we come into this discounted area, then I'm definitely looking for longs. Oh, okay, boom. We actually had a reaction from the from that zone. Still though, not the best reaction. But I feel like it's so complicating because I don't want. Let me not speed this up. Let me actually take my time. Ooh, nice reaction. Great reaction. Let's go into the smaller time frame. Now my chart look absolutely bonkers. Let's get rid of this. After we just tapped in, let's get rid of this also because it seems like it seems like we had a strong reaction, and as we had that strong reaction, price decided to come back into that zone. Let's put this little breaker block entry. As you see here, price decided to come in. I don't like how that looks, so let me use my fib. Beautiful. Came into like the 0.079 area in this breaker block. Boom, came into this order over here. Beautiful reaction. Now what we're really looking for is just, we have consolidation going on, but I want to see a break from this resistance. As you see here, we tapped into this zone right here. We had a strong reaction, so I probably would be looking to go long. I just want to wait first for the confirmation before anything. Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. We're definitely, seems like we're playing along in this zone. Beautiful, we just dropped. Alright, good. That was some good manipulation, I'm not gonna lie. Let's get rid of this. We don't need this no more. We just took this liquidity. Don't need this either. Boom. I feel like we also did just tap into the 1 hour. Yeah, we did just tap into the 1 hour. So we got more liquidity also. Definitely looking to go long. Definitely looking to go long. First thing I want to see though is a break above this, or this order block to be respected. And since it has been respected, and from the looks of it, we definitely have a change in the state of delivery. Definitely looking to go long. I'm looking at target up here. Do we have anything that's stopping us? Yes, we do. We have this 30-minute right here. So if we break above from this change in state, if we break above this wick, probably look to go break even and just let the trade continue. Alright, let's place the order. Bro. It's out of position. Okay. Yeah, I guess. I mean, I don't really know too much about all that. But yeah. Lot size. Buy limit risk. Boom. Take profit at 25,132.92. Stop loss at 25007.11. I think that's how it is. All right, let's see what this is talking about, because it seems like what are you doing? All right. Yeah, this is the trade I'm looking to take, so let's see how it plays out. If we lose, we lose. If we win, we win. Move on to the next thing. All right, let's go. Beautiful. And we had a close, so we're definitely upping the risk to break even. Nice. Okay, strong reaction. Slightly moving my risk up. Hold on, not risk. Hey, 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 hey! Like, can I not? I can't move it because I decided to put it straight into break even. Oh. I'm anxious. I'm anxious. Let's go. TV was hit. I was anxious, bruh, because like it was right there. Imagine if it just dropped. All right, so cool. Another trade. We have now brought the account balance to 50,836. Okay. Let's move on to the next day open. Okay. So today looks choppy, only because I don't really know what's going on, right? So this day I really wanted to take that at market open. So if I took that at market open, it would probably be somewhere around here. Still good trade idea. This was also a good trade idea. I was looking to go long here, but I had to see first what was going to happen, and then the reaction that we got. Hold on. The reaction that we got. This is usually how I would trade. It wouldn't have to be an inverse. It could be an inverse, or it could just be a regular for value gap. But as you see here, we've just been getting a bunch of inverse for value gaps that have been respected. So today looks like a choppy day. Let's point out our points of liquidity. We have liquidity resting up here. We have basically right here. So we have like stacked areas of liquidity. Yeah, we have a bunch of stacked areas of liquidity. So if price manages to come to this, I don't know if I'll be looking for shorts, but I would just be trying to see what the market's doing. As you see here, we tapped into a beautiful 30 minutes, so it looks like price is definitely respecting that 30 minute, and we're definitely moving bullish. I'm not going to take a trade because that's kind of stupid. I would probably have to wait for a retracement. But right here, we also tapped into a 15 minute, so let's see what happens in the 15. Bruh. I gotta remember that. Alright, boom, we had a reaction. I'm trying to think if this is like it really is considered an order block if I think about it. Actually, yeah, I think that's exactly what this is. Hold on. Just tapped into this beautiful OB. Trying to see what's gonna happen. If we inverse this could be a potential buy. But I just want to see the reaction. Oh, never mind. Never mind. We don't really need that no more. We do not need that no more. Because it seems like price just did everything that was. Oh. Yeah. Oh! What day is this? Oh, this is Friday. Should I just full port shorts because we already know what's going to happen? Alright, nah, let me not. But, I mean, damn. So I only took 2 trades. 2 trades in a week? Alright, intentionally, this should have been the trade. But we took a 2-day trade, and then we took this trade that was on Thursday. We didn't trade this day. We traded Wednesday early in the morning. Didn't really get it set up on Monday, as you see here. But we got like a little Tuesday entry, Wednesday close, and then we got this little Thursday trade. But then here goes Friday. That's why I was so confused. But then I realized we took the liquidity, and I wasn't surprised that we were dropping anyway. But the drop was so sharp. Like these are some huge penises, man. God, holy! Like look at the drop. But I'm not gonna full port short the account because I already know what happened. But let's just look at it. Let's actually watch what happens. Let's look at it on the 1 minute time frame because I feel like that might be cool. So let's see what happens. But we're gonna speed it up. that's it. Oh, I, my fault, y'all. I thought I would make it more exciting, but there's no point now because it's done. But I mean, yeah, basically we got the account to 50.8. I was trying to get it to like I was trying to get it to like 53 in this video, but because that's what the guy was doing. But I guess I'll just make more videos on backtesting. Basically 2 trades, 100% win rate. We didn't lose no trade. Uh, I did take a week off trading. I promise you, I did not. I don't. This is literally my setup. These are my A plus Fs. This is how I trade. I just want to let you guys know this is literally like I have not traded this entire week. I did not trade. I did not trade all of last week because I wanted to give myself a break ever since I lost that eval. I wanted to get my mind right, prepare myself for the next week. So, I definitely do want to say, uh, that I wouldn't say I feel more prepared going into the next week, but I definitely do want to say that I'm ready and that I'm ready for what's at stake and that I want to prepare myself and put myself in the mindset that that even if I lose, I take a loss, that it's okay because at the end of the day, who am I? You know what I'm saying? I'm just a regular person just trying to become just as great as everybody else. So I'm trying to work on my skills. I'm trying to work on my craft. And if I could at least backtest, let's say once a week, I'll try to make a backtesting video once a week, every single week, just to stay more consistent with my YouTube content and also to stay more consistent with myself, to give myself that confidence that my strategy does work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We have brought this account from 49,000 to 50.8. And yeah, next week I'll probably just backtest. Probably something older, maybe like we could do last year, but this time I just wanted to do the week that I missed. But yeah, guys, I'm also considering doing my funded futures instead of Top Step. We'll see what happens, but I hope you guys take care of yourself. Have a blessed day. Take care of your families. God bless on this holy Sunday. And yeah, man, enjoy.